Imagine a world where the professional cinematography you see in big-budget Hollywood movies can fit inside the palm of your hand. A world where you don't need a license, you don't need a bulky backpack, and you don't need to spend $5,000 to get a 1-inch sensor and 6K video. For years, the drone industry has had a glass ceiling. If you wanted the best quality, you had to fly a heavy, regulated machine. But as we sit here in 2026, that ceiling isn't just cracking, it's being shattered into a million pieces. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is no longer just a series of leaks from the supply chain, it is a declaration of war. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is the moment DJI decided to put their flagship Mavic Power into a mini chassis. If you are an aerial photographer, a travel creator, or just someone who loves the freedom of flight, you need to listen very closely. Because the Mini 6 Pro is about to make every other drone you own feel like a toy from a bygone era. To understand why the Mini 6 Pro is such a massive shift, we have to look at the sub-250-gram trap. For years, the 249-gram limit was a boundary that meant compromise. You could have the weight, but you had to sacrifice the sensor. You could have the portability, but you had to give up the stability. But with the Mini 6 Pro, DJI has achieved the impossible. Through the use of a new magnesium-lithium alloy and a radical carbon fiber internal skeleton, they have managed to shave off enough weight to fit something the world thought was impossible: the 1-inch Titan sensor. This isn't just a slightly better camera, it is a sensory revolution. We are talking about a 50-megapixel beast with a 14-stop dynamic range. This is the same level of detail found in professional mirrorless cameras, now capable of being flown over crowds in the USA without the FAA requiring a Part 107 license for hobbyist use. But a big sensor is nothing without a stable platform. This is where the 225-degree horizon gimbal comes in. The leaks for the Mini 6 Pro show a redesigned gimbal arm that allows the camera to tilt further up than ever before. For years, drone pilots have struggled with propeller interference when looking up. The Mini 6 Pro fixes this by tucking the camera into a slingshot mount. This allows for true vertical shooting, but with a twist, you can now look directly up at a 90-degree angle. Imagine flying under a bridge in Chicago or through the redwoods in California and looking straight up at the architecture or the canopy. It opens up a perspective that was previously reserved for specialized FPV drones. Let's talk about the feature that has the entire drone community in a frenzy: Nightscape LiDAR. One of the biggest dangers of flying a mini drone has always been its vision in the dark. Small sensors and traditional cameras struggle to see branches or wires at night. But the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first consumer drone to integrate a solid-state LiDAR sensor into the nose. This isn't just obstacle avoidance, it's 3D mapping. The drone sends out millions of light pulses per second to create a digital ghost of its surroundings. This means you can engage active track in pitch-black conditions. You can have the drone follow you through a dark forest or a nighttime street in New York, and it will navigate with the precision of a bat. It is the end of nighttime crashes forever. Transmission has also seen a leap into the future with DJI O5. We've all been there. You're flying in a high-interference area, and your screen starts to lag or cut out. It's a terrifying feeling. O5